In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on incognito mode in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a private session so your chat history isn't saved to your account, and you'll understand what that means for your privacy and workflow. First, open your Claude account. That simply means signing into Claude the way you normally do, whether you're on a desktop browser or a mobile device. Wait for the main chat interface to load so you can see your conversation area and the usual controls. If you have multiple workspaces or projects, make sure you're on the one where you plan to chat, since incognito applies to the conversation you start next. Once you're in, look for the ghost icon. It's the symbol Claude uses for incognito mode, and you'll typically find it near the top of the chat interface or alongside your conversation controls. Hovering over it may show a label like incognito. Go ahead and click the ghost icon. When you do, Claude switches into incognito mode. You'll usually see a small visual cue, such as the ghost icon highlighting or a short message, letting you know that you're now in a private session. From this point on, you can use Claude in incognito. In practical terms, that means the conversation you conduct in this mode won't be saved to your chat history. Your prompts and Claude's responses from this session won't appear in your recent conversations list. And after you close the session, you won't see it stored in your account. This is especially helpful when you're handling sensitive brainstorming, drafting content you don't want logged, or quickly testing ideas without cluttering your saved chats. A few helpful tips while you're in incognito. If you think you'll need to reference something later, copy the important parts of the conversation before you leave the session, since it won't be saved for you to revisit. You can paste notes into your own document or project tracker. Also, remember that incognito is focused on preventing your chat history from being stored in your Claude account. It doesn't change the basics of your internet connection or your device's security. So continue to follow your organization's privacy guidelines when handling confidential material. That's all there is to it. Open your Claude account, click the ghost icon, and you're in incognito mode, ready to chat without saving your history. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you work more cleanly and confidently with Claude.